SprngPod Smart Living for All.
Building entry, app-based access control, PIN entry, QR entry, digital concierge, book amenities, package lockers, integration, digital signage, viewing of building cameras, maintenance management, property management, building automation, view rental suites, units for sale, self-guided tours, community book services, in-suite smart home, thermostats, pet cameras, smart locks, sensors.
The SprngPod app home screen. The Express Entry Access Control screen. The My Concierge screen for booking maintenance service tickets, booking housekeeping, making reservations and more. The Community screen for information on transit, parks, shops, restaurants, activities, entertainment and more. The Book Amenities screen for booking out the BBQ, meeting rooms, party hall, games room, pool, sauna, and more. The View New Suites screen for exploring suites that are for sale or rent in the building and/or community. The My Smart Controls screen allows users to use the same app to control their suite. Smart door locks, smart thermostats, pet cameras, lighting and dimming, water leak sensors, and more. Dealers can also offer these products to residents that can buy them right off the app, creating additional sales, install revenue and RMR.
The tablet-based entry system allows guests to contact residents to gain entry into the building. Residents can see those at the door and communicate with two-way voice. PIN numbers can also be given to allow a guest or contractor to enter using the PIN entry that has a start and end time created by the resident through the app. A QR code sign can also be used at door locations as a backup method to contact residents. Digital signage/advertising/notifications can be placed on the screen, creating more RMR opportunities. The tablet-based entry system is also available in a pedestal version. The tablet-based entry system is also available in a larger kiosk version. Outdoor and cold temperature versions are also available. The system can work with existing access control systems, making it easy to upgrade older legacy buildings. The dealer and property manager have the ability to easily add residents and activate features of the system through a simple web portal screen. Notifications can be sent directly to a single resident or all residents. Adding in features such as digital signage, building automation, package lockers integration, storage room access, viewing of building cameras, view rental suites, units for sale, self-guided tours and maintenance management tickets.